Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply find your Bitcoin wallet address on your Coinbase mobile app. And our first step is opening up your Coinbase mobile app and scrolling down till when you see the arrow pointing down indicating receive, you click on it. And with this you click on Litecoin and scroll down to Bitcoin. And just like that, you've been able to access your BTC wallet address. The QR code is scannable as well. Don't mind the protrusion or the extra Coinbase logos. Don't mind that. Your QR code can be scanned and it will definitely show your Bitcoin wallet address and the receiving address as well. You can as well share this address by using the icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on this, you can simply share the code to any source you'd like to share it to. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about this, and you'd be given an answer.